Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today I have my hunk of burning love.
I'm back.
Yes, you're back. And he is going to help us make a very simple recipe.
Keyword is simple.
And it is from 1978. It's from a 1978 cookbook. And it's actually, the name of this is actually called Different Sloppy Joes. That's what it's called. Different Sloppy Joes.
From 1978.
From 1978.
Do you remember, what were you doing in 1978?
In 1978, I was in...
Diapers?
No, I was 5. So I was probably in kindergarten in 1978. And you were in diapers.
Yeah. But I wasn't in kindergarten.
You were still in diapers in 1978.
Yep.
I was in kindergarten. Miss Marcy's kindergarten class.
Did you go to AM or PM?
AM. Of course.
You know which one I went to.
You went to PM, didn't you?
I
knew it.
That's where it all started. I was on night shift in kindergarten.
I knew it. That is why.
Yep.
That is why. You hate morning.
Yep.
I love morning.
Yep.
That's it. That's what does it.
I'm a night owl and she's a morning.
I am. I'm a morning person. Do they still do that anymore? No. You go all day now because people need a babysitter all day.
Yep.
Okay, so they say that this recipe tastes just like a Newcastle burger.
Not Newcastle. White Castle.
Oh, sorry. What's Newcastle? What's Newcastle? That's a city in Oklahoma.
Yeah, city. White Castle.
A town in Oklahoma. Okay,
there
sorry.
was a movie after the White Castle.
Okay, sorry. White Castle. They say this tastes just like a White Castle burger.
You like White Castle?
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I don't eat it much. I mean, where are they? In Texas?
Yeah. When we were in Vegas, I went and got one, and I was like, ooh, White Castle. And then you eat it, and you're like...
Okay.
I think they only taste good at like 2 in the morning after a long night of
Bible study.
Because at that point, most people that, it doesn't eat just something to eat.
Right. Okay, so I don't know. We're going to try it. It seems very simple to me. Like when I read the recipe, I was like, I would juice that up a lot. I would put so many different things in it, but we're not going to do that.
Yeah, like peas and carrots and
tomatoes.
No.
But,
in your hair.
what is it?
Spider.
Okay, so
all right, we're back.
We're going to start with 2 pounds of ground beef, and you're just going to brown your ground beef, and then you're going to drain it. So we're going to go ahead and get this browned up.
80-20 or?
And you want to know what it's, yeah, it's 80-20, but you want to know what it said? There's no salt and pepper. I was wanting to salt and pepper this meat, but there's no salt and pepper, and it's just super plain. So let's get this meat browned, and we'll get it drained, and then we're going to put it back in the pan.
We got to put some kind of seasoning in it, though, right?
You do. You put...
Oh! Well, that's enough seasoning.
Okay. All right. So we're going to get this browned up. I'm going to drain the grease off of this. So go right ahead and do that for me, babe.
Just kidding.
Somebody will tell us how to do it and what we're doing wrong.
You didn't drain that right.
We can't wait.
What you should have done.
We can't wait. All right. We didn't drain it. We did not drain it down the sink, I'll tell you that much.
Yep.
All right. So we're going back in the pan. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. All right.
The only reason you should ever drain it down the sink is if you're just renting a house.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Don't do that. Because
nope. I've been there before.
As a matter of fact, we do have a rent house. We have a rent house. If anybody wants a rent house, we have one available. I probably shouldn't put that out there, but we do.
Here we go.
We have a rent house available in Haskell, Oklahoma. It is a studio rent house. Tiny house. It's 500 square feet. I don't even think it's that big. It is like your bed, your living room, kitchen, bathroom, washer, dryer, shower, all in the same.
We lived there for...
No, not all in the same, but anyway, yes. We did stay there. It was for about a year.
Yeah.
We lived in it for about a year. It is perfect for 1 person, not 2. So, if you're interested and you need a house to rent in Haskell, Oklahoma, there's your guy.
Look me up.
But don't pour grease down the drain.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a joke.
Okay, so you want to cook your flour just for a little bit.
And that was regular.
Yeah, just regular all-purpose flour. Now we're going to put in a package of Lipton.
I like your little.
Isn't that cute?
That is cute.
Pampered chef.
Tiny.
Lipton soup mix. French onion soup mix.
My favorite dip.
Pop that in there.
Oh, this is going to smell so good. No water or anything, just dry.
Yeah, right here. Okay, right here we have 1/2 cup.
That smells so awesome.
I know. 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of dill pickle juice going in. Ready?
Bring it on. You know what's weird? This smells better than onion soup. And it's onion soup. You know what I mean?
Smells good, doesn't it? All right, now what you're going to do is we're going to just cook this until this starts to thicken up. And I'm going to clean up while you're...
Now it smells like
I'll clean up while you're
a hamburger. Are we putting cheese on these?
No, it's plain Jane.
Plain Jane.
Plain stew bun. It's looking pretty thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks pretty good. You might have...
How do I...
You might go ahead and just turn it off. Just
yeah, I don't even know.
right there. All right. Okay, so if you want to get some slider buns and just make little slider buns, that would be great. I didn't have any slider buns and did not want to go to the grocery store, so we're just going to use some of our regular hamburger buns. All right, so we're just going to...
Comment. White Castles are made with slider buns. You ruined it.
Scoot it over, and then we'll fill it up. We're going to put pickles on ours. That's how we saw it on the recipe. So.
You want to put it down?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
Because you know I'm going to flood it.
Yeah, I know you are. Babe.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
I'm pretty much a chef right now at this point. Just kidding.
Chef Boyardee. All right, there we go.
Chef, boy, are those delicious and messy.
Oh, wait. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. We're going to put pickles on them. We have kosher dill pickles, which are the best. Right?
Yeah. Hey, wait, right there. If you work at Chick-fil-A, this is how you put pickles on it. Okay? Not two of them on one side where you get them all in one bite. I'm just saying, I love Chick-fil-A, but whoever's in charge of pickle placement, just saying.
Take note.
That was another way.
So these are called different sloppy joes, okay? Cheers.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
And they're messy. Just gonna need
I'm pleasantly surprised. Like, I was thinking it needed a lot more, and it doesn't. It has a lot of flavor. It does. It has a lot of flavor. I was going to put some mayo on there, but it doesn't need it.
That is good.
So easy. I'm impressed.
That's good.
I really didn't think it was going to be any good.
And you can, obviously, you can take it different ways. You can put in some diced jalapenos.
Oh yeah, you can
But
do it.
that's got a good. It's
You can
different.
make it buck nasty.
Yeah, you get buck wild and put some jalapenos in there.
Get a spoonful. Okay, so y'all come and see us here at Local Flavor. We would love to have you. We're right on the strip on 76 Country Boulevard. And if you need a place to stay, you can look us up at gobblersmountaingetaway.com.
Yes.
And if you need a rent house, get in touch with Greg.
Or if you want one of these, come in and ask for it.
Do not ask for this. It will not be on the menu, but we have so many things going on. And
that is good.
we just bite off more than we can chew and
Figure out how to
start
do it.
chewing. All right. So remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today, and we will see you.
Like these, you can make great things happen with these.
You can make great things happen with these. What can they make happen?
Make dinner great again.
Uh-oh.
Canceled.
We're canceled.
What's it called? Sloppy Joe?
Different Sloppy Joe.
For the Sloppy Joes have tomato sauce in them.
Right.
That's not how my Aunt Margaret made Sloppy Joes. My Uncle Bruce has a patent on the originals.
There's no way that tastes like White Castle.